Hello my good friend, today I'm going to talk about school chalk in details. So watch this video until the very last end. If you're one of those people who have always been asking me how much do I need to start a school chalk business, how profitable is a school chalk business, where can I start from, which machines are required, and what are the materials actually that are used to make school chalk, this video is meant for you. Remember, every successful business starts with a simple idea. An idea that solves daily problems. An idea people will always need. So school chalk is one of those ideas. Across Uganda, thousands of schools open their doors every morning. Remember, teachers walk into classrooms, boards are cleaned every hour, lessons begin, and every one of those classrooms actually need chalk. School chalk is not seasonal, as most people say. It's not luxury. It's a daily necessity in most of the schools in towns and villages in Uganda. From nursery school to primary school, from secondary school to coaching centers, chalk is used every single day. This steady demand makes school chalk powerful business opportunity. Imagine supplying the product that is needed all year round. And remember, it requires you a simple capital to actually enter into this business. In Uganda today, a single carton of quality school chalk can sell between 50 to 70 Uganda shillings, depending whether you are a retailer or a manufacturer. When produced or brought at wholesale, a carton is normally at 50,000. So, if you are a good manufacturer and you're serious about this business, remember you can make up to 6 cartons every day if you buy a machine that produces either 400 or 800 pieces of school chalk every round. Schools do not stop teaching. Chalk does not go out of style as long as those classrooms are actually open. The school chalk business does not require expensive branding to start. It does not depend on trends. It depends on consistency of supply. A small startup capital can be 320,000 only. And remember, we have a starters kit that includes 1 molds of 100 cavities, 100 branded boxes, and 1 bag of POP. All goes for only 320,000, and that's all you need to get started. One school alone can consume several cartons per term. Multiply that by dozens of schools in single districts and the entire country. Chalk is lightweight, easy to store, and simple to transport. There is no refrigeration required, no electricity required, even when it comes to manufacturing. Drying does not require you to buy expensive dryers. You can use the sun that is actually available. Machines are simple and easy to actually use. Many successful suppliers started small, delivering just a few cartons on bicycle or motorcycle, or even checking at the nearby schools and institutions. Today, some supply entire district and the whole country. Just check in your district or check in your nearby stationery and look at the school chalk, check the manufacturer's actual location. You'll find those people actually very far from you. The beauty of chalk business is that scalability. You can start small and grow steadily, from retail supply to wholesale distribution, from local schools to regional coverage. Profit comes from volume of consistency. School value suppliers who are dependable. Remember, you need to start this school chalk and be there all year round. As I told you, that demand is always constant. Once you build trust, then you'll have got market for life. In Uganda, education sectors rely on actually your supply capacity. When a school finds a chalk supplier who delivers on time, maintains quality, and keeps price fair, the relationships last forever almost. School chalk is also a product with low spillage risk. If you are so careful about the drying and you plan your dry racks, actually you get few damages from your production. For entrepreneurs looking for a stable business, Schoolchalk offers peace of mind because you can even work at the comfort of your home in a small space and produce much chalk. It is predictable, it is practical, and even proven by most manufacturers, including myself. Beyond profits, the chalk business connects directly to education. It supports learning, supports teachers, and supports students as well. Every carton sold contributes to a clear lesson and better understanding of the classroom. This gives the business a purpose beyond just looking for money, but also supporting the education sector. In areas where whiteboards are not common, chalk remains the primary teaching tool. Even here in Uganda and many African countries, primary schools, secondary schools, nursery schools, and some institutions, actually school chalk remains a primary teaching material. Urban schools need chalk, rural schools need chalk, private schools need chalk, and even government schools all buy chalk. This widens the market and increases the demand for chalk. And of course, when the demand is there, your opportunities have actually increased as a manufacturer. As demand increases during a school term, sales volume also rise. During peak period, suppliers move stock faster and profit actually grows. Chalk may look simple, but the business behind it is powerful. It is built on repetition, trust, and constant demand. Many people search for complex businesses and overlook the simple one that actually works and has a lot of profitability. Yet history shows that every day products often create the strongest enterprises. The school chalk business is not about waiting for customers. Customers are already there waiting for you. There are schools, teachers, and institutions who need school chalk today and tomorrow. With the right mindset, consistency, and market connections, chalk can be and can also become a steady source of income. It can pay bills, it can grow savings, it can expand into a larger education supply business. From chalk to books, from chalks to a desk, from chalk to full school supplies, many journey begins with this one product. Starting small does not mean thinking small, it means building something solid. If you are looking for a business that is affordable, dependable, relevant, school chalk stands out as one of the most important business you can actually start. Education will always continue, classroom will always exist, and chalk will always have a place. So for anything you need to know regarding school chalk, I'm always available to help you with machines, material, and training regarding production of school chalk. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming and have a nice time. Bye bye.